In this short video, I'm going to discuss how to build an assignment using Discover Education. I have already selected my content that I'd like to use, and I'm going to prepare an assignment for my students using that content. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the left-hand side, and I'm going to click on Builder Tools. Keep in mind that if I find materials that I'd like to build an assignment with, I can share that with my colleagues, so anyone in my collaborative learning team can have access to that material. The same thing goes for assignments. So if I create an assignment, I can share that with others. I'm going to go to My Assignments and create New Assignment. It begins, like any other assignment does, with the learning objective and with the tools that you wish to use to assess your students' learning. In this case, my assignment title will be Jupiter Reflection. I'm going to identify as a 9th grade science class because I'm in my Earth Science course. And I'm going to continue. I'm going to save it in My Content. And now I'm going to begin the assignment. The assignment can be as detailed as you prefer, or it can be as laid back as you like. In a lot of cases, people will draft the material to cut and paste into this using Google Docs so that they can use it collaboratively. And then once they've created the text, they can cut and paste it into the assignment. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and create a very simplistic assignment. This will be assignment instructions. Okay, and so what I'll say is view the attached video, paying particular attention to the special features of the planet Jupiter. Compare and contrast these features from our previous conversation regarding Saturn. Write a paragraph discussing the similarities and differences between the two planets. You'll notice that I'm creating this assignment within the context of our larger class. Now I'm going to attach a resource from my content because I've already tagged a video that I'd like. And I'm going to take this video and add that. And I'm also going to add this article for extra support. Add selected resources, finish editing, save and continue. You'll notice that I did not add anything under teacher notes. I could do that if I wanted. The teacher notes are viewable for colleagues. So if I share this assignment with others, they can see more information about what I'd like to talk about. I can assign this to a class, or I can assign it specifically to students if I have a differentiated assignment or something that provides review. In this case, of course, I don't have any classes because we're in the middle of the summer, but this would be where I would assign that. I can also assign by code. So what I can do is send this URL directly to my students to give them information. And if I wanted students to access this through an external source, such as Schoology, this would be one of the ways I could do that. I could assign it to my classes, and then I could give them this URL within Schoology. If I were to give this to them, they would have to log into Discover Education, but then this would be a direct link to that assignment.